My name's Justice McNeely, and I have a dual major in robotics and embedded systems and digital maker and fabrication. Oh man, it was amazing. Although I was online for the majority of my school experience, but I've met some amazing people both online and in person, and I was included no matter what. Being online, I was able to come down from living up in the mountains and still included and was able to be a part within the school, and it was a great experience. I will definitely say my robotics professors and my DMF professors are absolutely amazing. Mr. Prater, we share a little bit of the disability world with each other, and he's been a huge inspiration for me to keep pushing forward through my school and just being able to have those connections to push forward is a blessing in life. So the funny thing is my SIP is definitely nowhere near to the projects that I've actually been working on. I decided to take a simple idea, which is the light systems on my wheelchair cannot be turned off. And you think about it, if you're in a movie theater, when you have to move your wheelchair, sit up and such, it blinds you and everybody behind you. And I built a cover that will cover the system when you can still see the lights and everything else, how they work. And yeah, just keeping it simple and being able to help others in my same position is kind of how I pushed for it. And it kind of sparked that interest to create even more projects after that. And it's been a huge blessing, and I can't wait to show it off to the real world. Yeah, I used to be a big believer that I always wanted to have that huge campus experience. And UAT, yes, isn't the biggest campus in the world, but that's a good thing. You get to have the relationships with all of your professors. You are able to have relationships and connections with the students here. I mean, it is a huge blessing. And being in a wheelchair and having those connections, I was able to accomplish anything I set my mind to. So UAT is an amazing place, and I'm very thankful for it.